Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, October 28th. The Zen story for today is titled The Fox That Played Dead. One pale morning, the monk stepped out to fetch water and found the fox lying at the edge of the clearing, its body curled in the grass, utterly still. One paw stretched forward, eyes closed, chest unmoving. He stood for a long while, watching for breath. Nothing. He approached slowly, knees bending beside the small frame. He reached out, but before his fingers brushed fur, the fox sprang up, eyes gleaming, and dashed into the underbrush without a sound. A single white hair clung to the monk's sleeve. The next day, it happened again. A different spot this time, under the pine tree near the lantern. Belly up, paws loose like marionette strings. The monk's breath caught. He walked faster. Again the fox sprang to life and vanished. On the third day, he didn't move at all. He just looked from the doorway, hands still damp from tea, and narrowed his eyes. The fox opened one eye, then closed it again. By the fourth morning, the monk found himself scanning the clearing before stepping outside. His chest felt tight, as if grief had arrived ahead of time, without invitation. There it was, by the woodpile, limp, limbs folded neatly, so still it hurt to look at. He approached quietly, crouched down, and whispered, "You win," then turned and walked back inside. He didn't see the fox lift its head, glanced at the retreating figure, and let out a single bark, sharp and high, like a child stifling laughter. On the fifth morning, the monk found no fox. On the sixth, he did, and this time he did not stop. He passed it without pause, without a glance, just a soft bow as he stepped by. The fox, belly to the sky, cracked open one eye, then the other. When no one looked, it smiled. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What do you carry that no one else can see, but you still feel pulsing beneath the surface? What do you carry that no one else can see, but you still can feel pulsing beneath the surface. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What do you carry that no one else can see, but you still feel pulsing beneath the surface? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.